Hello and thanks for joining us. Today we are going to be looking at the reconciliation report. We will start here on the client portal dashboard, and in order to run a reconciliation report, we will go on over to the Reports tab and click on Reconciliation Report. We can create a reconciliation report for a number of documents. In this demonstration, we will choose invoices, but you can see here that there is a 945, an 855, and we can also have purchase orders and ASNs. For demonstration purposes, we will use a start date of May 1st all the way through to May 26th. We can enter an email address for reconciliation results, and you can enter specific document numbers to reconcile against. Copy and paste here, one per line, please. Click Submit to run the report, and you'll see a pop-up window come up saying that the query has submitted, and you'll receive an email once the query has been processed. Once the reconciliation results are available, you will get an email with a link to direct you to the client portal to review the report. After running the report and it has processed through the B2BGateway system, you can review the report history under the Reports tab. Click Reconciliation Report and review the reconciliation report history. You will be able to see the date that you have ran this report, any other report that you have ran previously, the document type the report was ran for, the start and end date, and you can review the full details of the completed report. This completed report will show the document numbers that you've searched, the document dates, the trading partner receiver, sender and receiver IDs, group control numbers, transaction control numbers, and also a status for each one of the documents. The statuses are important because you are able to filter your results by 997 accepted, 997 rejected, not found, or open exception. If you would like to save this report, you can export the details to a CSV or a comma-separated value and can be opened in Microsoft Excel. Alternatively, you can always come back to the reconciliation report and view the report history at a later date.